Hello, you guys. Welcome back to my channel. This is Diamond Rose, and I'm back to you guys with another few jobs that I have for this video. And this is with a company called Digital Market Media Incorporated. And the job role will be call center agent. It's a remote position. And the start pay is $17.50 per hour, $25 per hour through $25 an hour full-time and part-time. Positions are available. The benefits for this job will be 401k matching, opportunities for advancement, paid time off, paid training, work from home. And this is a position that is 100% remote. Do you desire work-life balance, high earning potential, and to belong to a world-class working culture? Are you passionate, results-driven, and want to work in an environment where integrity is of the utmost importance? If this piques your interest, apply now for digital marketing media. We are seeking experienced call center agents with a knack for high volume, fast-paced telemarketing and cold calling. About us, digital marketing media is a leader in pay per call marketing and lead generation. We connect through our exceptional company culture and celebrate successes related to both our personal and professional lives. We are a work family. Here are a few things that make us unique and one of the top work from home opportunities available. Full paid, fun, and interactive trading week. Work safety and conveniently from the comfort of your own home, 100% remote. Daily and weekly sales competitions and prizes, leadership development, upward mobility, and growth opportunities. Team building and camaraderie, world-class company culture. Company match 401k plan 100% vested after 90-day period. Paid time off benefits, vacation, sick days, holiday, and employee birthdays. Rapid career advancement opportunities. Available shifts include 9 to 5 or 11 to 5 Eastern Standard Time. Weekly payroll. It is a weekly paid job, you guys. Weekly paid job for this company called Digital Market Media. Digital Market Media is the name of the company, and they pay weekly. Part-time and full-time schedules are available, and they have part-time and full-time availability positions that you guys can go ahead and sign up for when you get this application put in. No weekends, so you work no weekends for this job. And the job description, our remote call center agents receive a high volume of outbound calls, approximately 200 plus per day, via a dialer system. They build rapport, qualify, and transfer prospective customers to licensed agents for Medicare and life insurance plans. The ideal candidate would have the ability to thrive in a high volume, fast-paced environment as well as meet KPI goals. High earning potential. Agents earn $17.50 per hour all the way up to $25 per hour with a base hourly rate and uncapped commissions. Requirements are experiencing high volume, inbound and outbound sales. Telemarketing and/or cold calling is preferred but not required. Strong verbal communication and computer system navigation skills are required. Dependability and must. High school diploma or equivalent is required. Equipment. Reliable high-speed internet. Minimum is 50 megabits per second download and 10 megabytes per second upload. The latest stable version of Google Chrome browser. Laptop or PC 2.7 GHz, dual core or 2.0 GHz, quad core, 4 GB RAM or better. USB wired headset with noise cancellation and mute option. Quiet workspace. Webcam and or phone with self-facing camera capability. And it just got posted today, you guys. The name of the company is Digital Market Media Incorporated. And the job position that they're placing this ad for is call center agent. It's a remote position, 100% remote. So if it sounds like something you would like to do, go ahead and apply at my description box below. I will list the jobs below. Now, with the next job that we have is called Medical Billing Specialist. The job role is Medical Billing Specialist with this company called DISYS, DISYS. It stands for Digital Intelligence Systems. It is a remote position. It's full-time. And the qualification for this job is ICD 10 for 1 year preferred. Full job description. Obtain referrals and pre-authorizations as required for procedures check. Eligibility and benefit verification. Review patients' bills for accuracy and completeness and obtain any missing information. Prepare, review, and transmit claims using billing software, including electronic and paper claim processing. Knowledge of insurance guidelines, including HMO, PPO, Medicare, and state Medicaid. Follow up on unpaid claims within standard billing cycle timeframe. Check each insurance payment for accuracy and compliance with contract. Discount call insurance companies regarding any discrepancies in payments, if necessary. Identify and bill secondary or tertiary insurances. All accounts are to be reviewed for insurance or patient follow-up research and appeal denied claims. Answer all patient or insurance telephone inquiries pertaining to assigned accounts. And the pay is $20 to $22 per hour. It's an 8-hour shift scheduling for 8 hours, and they're hiring for 6 candidates for this role. They're urgently hiring. They just posted this today, you guys. Apply through the company website. I will post the company website down below in the description box, you guys. So that'll be the second job for today on this video. And the third job will be with SCL Health Corporate. And the job role for this job will be a patient access assistant 1 central scheduler. And they're paying $16 through $25 and that 29 cents per hour. 16 to 25.29 per hour full time. And the benefits for this job is dental, health, and vision insurance, and paid time off. This is a remote position, and you bring your body, mind, and heart and spirit to your work as a patient access associate 1 central scheduler. You know how to move fast, you know how to stay organized, you know how to have fun. You're great at what you do, but you want to be a part of something else greater because you believe that while individuals can be strong, the right team is invincible. And they tell you about the company. They have system. Okay, this is what their business is about. System Services is our corporate headquarters in Broomfield, Colorado, and is located within the Oracle campus. SCL Health is a faith-based nonprofit healthcare organization dedicated to improving the well-being of the people we serve. Benefits are one of the ways we encourage health for you and your family. Our generous package includes medical, dental, and vision coverage. But health is more than a well-working body. It encompasses body, mind, and social well-being. To that end, we've launched a healthy living program to address your holistic health. Healthy living includes financial incentives, digital tools, tobacco cessation, classes, classes, and counseling and paid time off. We also offer financial wellness tools and retirement planning. And we together will align mission and careers, values and workplace. We'll encourage joy and take pride in our integrity. We'll laugh at each other's jokes, even the bad ones. We'll welcome and high five. We'll celebrate milestones and acknowledge the value of spirituality and healing. We're proud of what we know, which includes how much there is to learn. your day. They will tell you about your day, your scheduling, schedule and pre. I'll go through this briefly with you guys. Schedule and pre-register patients for appointments, outpatient visits, procedures, and other appointments captured by the department. Confirm patient information, including demographic and insurance information. Educate patients on procedures, preparations, appropriate dress requirements, special instructions as guided by the schedule, procedure protocol. Read and schedule patients based on the physician order and instruction. Attach the order to the appointment accordingly. Act as a liaison between the physician partner and the care site. And coordinate patient encounter. Utilize multiple system applications, various scheduling application, clinical operating systems, eligibility verification systems, medical necessity applications, and scanning repository. In your experience, you have to have a high school diploma or equivalent that's required, bilingual in Spanish and English preferred, previous hospital, medical office, medical insurance, and or customer service experience, including at least 1 year of previous experience specific to patient scheduling preferred. Your next move, now that you know more about being a patient assist associate 1 central scheduler on our team, we hope you'll join us. At SCL Health, you'll reaffirm every day how much you love this work and why you were called to it in the first place. So they just posted this job today, you guys. If it seems like a job that you like to get into, go ahead and apply to be in this company with SCL Health Corporate, and the job role will be Patient Assist Access Associate 1 Central Scheduler, and the start pay is $16.16 all the way up to $25.29 per hour. It's a full-time job. Position is 100% remote. So that's it for this video, you guys. Get into it. Opportunities are knocking. Open those positive doors. Get in there. Like and subscribe. Comment down below. Hit the notification bell so you can know whenever I upload. So you can go ahead and get into this dynamic positioning of all these great jobs and get hired on, you guys. Come on, let's get it, let's get it, let's go, and keep up the good work with the job search because it's here. The opportunity is knocking. Just answer those positive doors, you guys. See you on the next video. Bye bye.